And bro, lucky us because we can survive a purple TVS, which means it's a very violent tornado. But we just I have like a equipment system that I added. By the way, I'm recording. Hey everyone, I'm recording. My friend is here playing. Yo, check in the radar and see if the guys don't mind him. Okay, I'm gonna head south because we're about to intercept another tornado. Want that? We're about to. Ah! Oh my god. Hey, I just hit this house. Nope, and I thought I was gonna hit the tree. And we're back into the dusty road. Just means it's gonna be a hard time to drive. Yep. It's gonna be hard to drive. Cruise. No. Yo, lucky us because maybe the tornado is a while ago. Joaquin is I think you just hit red TBS. No, the most violent recorded here is purple TBS. It's more violent. It's like super tornado or a flood.